We'll guide you through how to unlock a keyboard on a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a really annoying problem when the keyboard is locked. As you can see, I'm typing, but nothing is appearing. This keyboard is connected and it's charged, but it has been locked. Perhaps you haven't pressed a key, or you've just gone and found that it's locked, and so you want to go and unlock it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this full guide step by step so you know exactly what you need to do in order to go and do it, as we're going to guide you through the steps you need to go and take. To get started, we are going to come to the bottom of the computer. There you need to go and find the Windows Start button, and you can click there and find settings. Go and click on it. Go and click on it like so, and here we are. Now what you need to do is come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. So come down the list, you may need to scroll and click on it. In accessibility, come over to the right and scroll down. You need to come into interaction and we need to go and find the option for keyboard. And you can go and click in here like so. In keyboard, you then want to go and find the option for filter keys, as you can see. And then what you need to do is you need to go and switch it off. Now let's come back here or anywhere you can go and type, and I'm going to go and press the key and you can go and see it's working. We successfully unlocked it. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.